No, I'm just kidding. I wanted to say that.
No, no one's emoting with you, bud.
No
You're
one's giving
trash.
you a
You're
hug.
dog. That's going in the YouTube clip.
My balls.
What if I? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my
Only
god.
love.
My balls are tickling myself. Holy crap, they're tickling.
Guys,
Yo.
I'm actually not in love. I just want to be a normal person out there in love.
Shut the fuck.
Who is that?
It's
I
my
just
dumb
hear
brother
he
that
loves
got the
KFC.
Wait, let me try. No.
That one loves KFC. That one up there.
Can I say something like? No.
That one up there loves KFC. You're good, you're
Mommy's
good.
milk is waiting for you.
Bro, I'm recording.
Shit.
Bro, you're so dumb.
I'm demented. I have dementia, okay?
Bro, oh
Rocks?
my god. Oh, bro, where did he come from?
What in the gay sack?
Bro, that's actually so annoying, bro.
Where the hell?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
Put Amber on the line. Put Amber on the line. Put Amber on the line.
No,
Freaking out the. We're at the freaking line. Alright, then I'll stay on purpose. Don't worry.
no, don't breathe.
No. Big black oily men are on the line.
No, bro. Oh, wait, I got it. Yo, what is going on here?
He's about to get his finishes.
Trying to get out of here. Get out of yourself. That's for Amber. He said I'm good enough. So not doing that. Soon. They make fun of me. I don't know what
Bro! I literally clapped one.
They don't see me. Hide.
Yeah, I'm dead. GG's chat.
I'm done.
No, I
I'm
just got killed
chat.
by somebody just called. You're just mad.
Got my game.
I always got pickaxe. I pre-fire this kid. Oh my god, daddy. Guys, my new guys. Turner, get out of here, kid. You're a failure. 200. Cracked one. Dead. Cracked one.
Oh, dude, was so good, bro.
They took this wall.
My bad, bro.
Who's out of there? 46?
202.
138?
Took wall.
Take wall.
Bro, what the fuck?
I had 138 in his box.
Kill yourself.
That's what I'm saying.
Hold up.
YouTube, we're kidding. Bro, what? Where did he come from?
Johnny, where did he come from? 200. I 201. I 201. The other one's ready. He's ready.
I'm getting him, bro.
Are you dead? Who
No,
died?
yeah, he is resin.
Me. He's ready. He's gonna.
Turner, let's go. I got him to 10 HP. What the hell?
Yeah.
200. Clint.
Yeah, he's mad. Oh, no.
Flash.
173 on the other one. 173 on the other one.
96.
Giant red.
Bro, what is he doing?
Giant red.
Pickaxe. I might be dead here.
No, you're good.
He's
He's dead.
dead, bro.
Never mind.
Yo, bro just whispered he's finally. I mean, he's definitely dead.
Where'd you come from? Where did you go?
Where did you come from? Fucking non
Get out of here.
Dead.
Dead.
I'll be married long
Dead.
time ago.
I'm so dead.
GG. Yeah, Scanner,
No, GG.
Scanner, you're gonna get me copyrighted.
Hey, run for your life. Hey, let me hear you say, OVO, say OVO, then step this way, step that way. way, that way. Are you my friend? Are you laughing? Find the new lobby, bro. Come on. Hunter, he just muted you. Damn, you couldn't take it.
I had to mute him. I'm sorry, Hunter.
He said he
Guys,
stopped.
we almost got the Cybertruck.
He said unmute and he stopped.
Hold on, I have to unmute him when I can't. Alright, I'll mute him.
He unmuted you.
Yeah?
Yo, bro responded. Yeah.
Hey, Daddy.
Okay, buddy. What?
Guys, do you think I could actually kill someone with that noise?
Oh, shoot. No, no, don't ready up. I accidentally hit it.
No. Well, I could show
That's the thing
anybody.
Oh my god, girl.
Sebastian can just troll by, just talking.
I know.
So can Zane.
I know.
They sound like girls.
What? Yo!
Yo, what?
That's my job.
No, it's really they're all matching.
Yeah, we gotta shoot you.
Take two. Let's go.
Crunchy Waves is wild, chat.
At that big three. No, they picked reload loot, bruh. Yes, two reload loot, three. Come on, Havoc, Mythic, Havoc! Yeah!
Hold on, wait, that's new. Supposed to be, okay, whatever. Bro,
At that big three. It's just be me.
What?
where? I don't see him in the.
Are you actually sped?
No, I think I hit.
Daddy.
Oh, got you there, buddy. It's not letting me build.
Daddy, come
Oh
here.
my god, guys, I might be closer,
Heal, bro, you're good. Daddy. Oh my god, you're so good. Wish I'd come over.
Yo, what the flip, man?
Oh my god, this kid's so bad.
Yo,
I hate this N-word. Yo, me and Connor.
wait, King?
Yeah.
Oh, collab
I
on
hate-
what?
No, wait,
what do you
wait.
think?
I'm back,
YouTube. What do you think? Revive me, Daddy.
Aaron!
Oh, Daddy.
Shut up, bro. What the?
Oh my god, Daddy. You were enjoying it
Oh my-
yesterday.
Bro, I'm being triple banged. Ah!
Oh my god.
Yeah, giant!
Daddy. Daddy. What's
Guys, they're
my
coming
name?
for you.
Chat, I do not condone these actions. Stick it. Stick it!
Yo, he dreaded the other teammate.
If you would have just stuck it.
Shut the fuck.
Oh my god. What'd you say to me? You were poop? Hit him for 40?
Shut up, poopy pants. Poopy
Yeah,
pants.
because
Liar,
I
liar,
had him for
hands on fire.
161 equals 200.
200. Daddy.
That was a clip if I've ever seen one. No, I'm just kidding.
I clip people in the bed because I'm so good at it.
Alright, buddy.
Imagine not getting by a 17-year-old. That'll never be me. I was just feeling
I got
sorry.
it.
You're right, it won't.
Oh!
At that big three. Guys, I think we're going against the worst trio that can be ever imagined.
Oh, man, you're I'm telling you. Oh, the blocks.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
That was
Bro,
me,
how did I
dumbass.
escape that? How did I escape that?
Come here, Daddy. Come here. We trying to play hide and seek, Daddy.
How did I die?
Oh god. Stop looking at me. Oh shit.
I'm done playing around.
Scanner's going try hard. Oh, they're cooked.
200 in my box. 200.
Yo, I just
God,
witnessed that too.
Daddy.
That's. Bro.
Oh no, bro. Guys, go to Team Red automatically. Team Red, Team Red, Team Red, Team Red. Go,
Did
go,
Hunter
go, go,
stop?
go. Yeah.
I'm sorry, Hunter. Hold on, wait. I'm sorry, Hunter. I'm sorry. I just don't want to get copyrighted.
You're good, bro.
Guys, guys, we're going against Kid Leroy.
I have this, man.
That fodder? Really?
Alright, guys.
Every concert skin, because of Travis Scott, every concert skin that comes out, I have to get it now. Thanks to Travis.
This one, that.
Look at that kid, bro. Look at that kid.
That's that big thing. It's just big me.
that's it.
Clip!
Oh, I saw that too.
I mean,
You know,
I just got double ganged. I love it.
You can touch my dad. I'll touch you.
If I would do that to myself.
Yo, we're just doing the same thing.
I'm dying now. I'm uploading the video now.
Oh my god, Colin.
I'm better.
Just for me, dude.
Oh my god, daddy.
Clip! He's better
Oh,
be
crap.
clipped.
Clip dead.
Okay. 100.
Box, my box.
Guys, too many Glockies!
Hey, I hit him. 126.
I was clipped.
Yeah,
No, I'm like the king of clips.
you trapped me in with him.
Flock.
Sorry.
Hit him. Hit one. Dead. But what?
It'll be funny, these kids are on a streak of 20, bro. It'll be funny, am I right?
Bro, you got shorted, bro.
It'll be funny, these kids are on a streak of 20, am I right?
Yeah, for real. We're about to clap them.
That one's not even good.
What?
Oh, he hit me for a lot though.
My fire HP.
Double res, double res, double res. I'm gonna keep on closing the door. He's
Alright, let's go.
better than me! He's better than me! Bro, I was literally healing. I have no use of nothing, bruh. Come on, Carlos.
You're finished?
I'm in front of. Oh my god, they got all three, bruh. There's two alive, there's two alive.
No, but how did I not hit?
What did the dog say?
Your mom.
I got the Tesla Cybertruck!
You did?
Yeah!
Yeah, me too. Me too.
Yes, sir! Wait, does that mean we get it in Rocket League too?
Yeah.
Wait, but I don't see the car. Oh? Yes, Tesla Cybertruck! Yo, I can change the style and stuff. And not all will be safe and sound.
You're gonna get me copyrighted.
The song's also on YouTube, bro. It's good.
It doesn't matter if it's on YouTube.
It's good.
You
It's
did.
for SUVs only.
I know.
I know.
My video already has 2 views. Oh my god. I mean 1 view. Oh my god.
Alright guys, ready up.
Shut up, Nick. I'm kidding.
I'm recording.
Shit.
Hunter, bro.
Poopy pants. Gosh, I want to troll somebody so hard, bro.
Oh my god, guys, oh, so that's why my aim was off. My thing wasn't plugged in to my aim. Wait, what? Huh? Okay. Giant 932 Bucky. Radio cross. Colin!
I'm sorry.
That's right. Okay.
You
It's
did?
for SUVs only.
I know.
I know.
My video already has 2 views. Oh my god. I mean 1 view. Oh my god.
Alright guys, ready up.
Shut up, Nick. I'm kidding.
I'm recording.
Shit.
100, bro.
Poopy pants. Gosh, I want to troll somebody so hard, bro.
Oh my god, guys, oh, so that's why my aim was off. My thing wasn't plugged in to my aim. Wait, what? Huh? Okay. Giant 932 Bucky. Radio cross. Colin!
I'm sorry.
That's right. Okay.
Colin, get in the car, Colin. Colin, hop in the car. No. Colin, hop in the car.
Let's get him, Colin. Go!
Yeah, come here, buddy. You're cooked.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Get in.
The book Tesla and McLaren?
Get in.
Alright,
Oh my
no,
god,
you
he's
go.
someone's freaking. He's on my Cybertruck.
Y'all will never find me. Guys, we should honestly play a hide and seek map, low-key.
Oh, what are you doing?
Me?
This has a nice thingy over here.
Guys, where even are y'all? Making my way downtown, walking fast.
Walking fast, staying inside with the dog, yeah. And I need you, and I'll miss you.
Oh crap, he's in the car. Crap, Colin's so close. I'm scared. Colin, please, we can talk about this, please.
Almost got stuck in a hole.
You should have, and I would help you.
No, bro, this freaking thing is not meant for off-roading. How did you catch up to me?
I don't know. I'm just like,
Crap. Crap.
I killed somebody with the car. I just killed someone with the car. Oh, there he goes.
Weave? I'm experienced Roblox driver. None of y'all can catch up. Except for Colin, of course, because this is color of the skin. Come on, kill the kitty, come on. Let's go. Guys, hold on, I'm actually fighting again, hold up, wait.
We need to go get him. We knock him down.
That was a joke, you know, that was a joke. I got it! Guys, I just killed somebody. And guess what they gave me?
What the?
Ankles? Oh, ankles? Wild. MM2 Pro? Wild.